Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dimas Wahyus Sampurno in University Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. Read an article entitled Improving the Fifth Grade Student Activities and Learning Achievement in Social Study Learning for Indonesian Independence through the Team Game Tournament or TGT Learning Model Assist with Monopoly Media in State Elementary School in Cilongok. And abstract. This study aims to improve the activities and learning achievement of students through the learning model of team game tournament as Monopoly. This type of research is a class action research consisting of two cycles. Each cycle consists of planning, action, observation, and reflection. The subject of this study were students of class 5 School Elementary Cilongok. Have 21 students. And collection technique using test and non-test. The test technique are used for assessment of students in the form of pre-test question and non-test question. Analysis technique used consists of qualitative and quantitative analysis based on is approaching the criteria for an increase of 75% in the second cycle of a very good increase of 85% in can be category very good and successful pass. Then there is also an increase of that is 19%. Then excellent result has passed the minimum limit of 80%. It can be consulted that the team game tournament model assessed by Monopoly Media can increase the activities and learning achievement of 5th grade students of elementary school Cilongok. Keyword team game tournament activities achievement Monopoly and IPS. Next, introduction. Education has a teaching and learning process that can affect children's attitude and intellectual ability. In the scope, one of the subjects that can help children develop an scientific attitude is elementary social study learning. In the learning process, an approach learning model is need to facilitate the assessment of the learning objectives that have been formulated. The ideal purpose of learning activity is so that the effort that has been learned can be full mastered by student, which is referred to as complete learning. State the student activities and learning is all activities that are physical and non-physical. Student in the process of optimal teaching and learning activities so as to create a more conducive classroom atmosphere. The student and the values contained in the create a more classroom. According to Shafi'i argues that learning achievement is the maximum at a certain moment by a person. Another opinion by Rashid that learning achievement is the result obtained from learning activity change activity by student. Learning performance has several main functions as stated by Arifin, including learning achievement as an indicator of the quality and quantity of knowledge that has been mastered by student. Learning achievement as a symbol of satisfying curiosity. Psychologists usually refer to his as curiosity and common human need. And next research method, namely planning, where at the planning stage of the implementation of this class action, research together with the class teacher plan or make preparation that will be used in the implementation process. The implementation of action is the next stage of planning where things have been prepared. In the planning stage will be carried out at the stage of implementation of this action. Observation is made when learning takes place in each cycle. Observations are carried out based on conversion that have been made previously to determine the activity of teacher and student during the learning process. Reflection is the state of analysis. Data and evaluation result during learning to find out the extent of the success of the learning media used in the timing process. And next result of discussion. 1. Left line determined is 75% well in cycle 1. It is 71% are good and still below the specified percentage of 75%. Well in cycle 2, the percentage of student activity has begun to increase at 85% or very good, and has begun to meet will with a minimum percentage of 75%. In cycle I, it has increased but is still below the expected percentage of 75%. This is because there are still students who cannot control themselves on class, and some students still like to disturb their friend. Then in cycle 2 it has improved very well because students have begun to be controlled by the teacher. Good thing, and students have begun to be active, such as asking the teacher about material that cannot be understood. Student, when asked B, the teacher can answer well and correctly. The percentage of student activity from cycle 1 to cycle 2 and has increased well with this action can make students more active in learning very well. And next result of this question, 2. Learning percentage from table 1 above before using the team game tournament learning model in Indonesian independent material in the initial condition before the implementation of class action. The average score was 60. The lowest score before the pre-action was 50 and the highest score was 76. In this case, which was complete, only 4 students out of 21 students with a percentage result of only 19 show poor result. In cycle 1, the action carried out through learning the team game tournament model for Indonesian independent material increased with the lowest value of 60 and the high 80 in cycle 1, which was complete. There were 20 people to this showing a percentage of 58% and the average value in the cycle of 71. This has shown a good increase. Then action research in cycle 2 experienced a very good increase with obtained the low value of 70 and the highest 100 with complete student average score of 84%. This action research is said to be successful because it has exceeded the percentage that at the beginning was 75%. With 75, the team game tournament learning model is good for students to increase student achievement. And last conclusion, learning the team game tournament model with help of Monopoly prop in class 5 social study subject in increase activities and increase learning achievement in increase activities advanced by cycle 1 68% and cycle 2 71%, then cycle 85% and the last is 91%. This is seen from the option when conduction research getting increased result and can be declared very good. In increased learning assessment result have increased as evident by the result with the evolution with a percentage of 58% has increased compared to pre-action, then in cycle 2 has increased very well with an average value 84 with a percentage of 80%, can be declared successful because it is above the predetermined of 75 and a minimum percentage of 75%. Learning the team game tournament model also makes students better understand the material that has been delivered by the teacher and learning. This team game tournament model can be an alternative media model for teacher because it can increase activeness and increase learning achievement. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.